God, this place is so hot. Yeah, I've taken a shower like 3 times today, and this place is still so hot. Kai, why did we hang out the sun though? What's up, tribe? Sheju here back again with a brand new video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 best Oppo smartphones to buy in 2020. Now, Oppo is a company that has been doing really well in the smartphone space, producing a lot of amazing smartphones over the last couple of years. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of what I think are their best smartphones to date and which one you should ultimately buy if you want to get an Oppo phone for yourself in 2020. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Intro, baby. Let's go. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Sheju, and if you are new to the channel, welcome, because on this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make tech reviews and unboxing videos. Wait, I need to clean my sweat. This place is really hot. So if you're interested in that kind of content, which I believe you are because you are obviously watching this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and hitting also that post notification bell icon so you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you also find yourself enjoying this video at any point in the video, be sure to smash that like button. And what that simply does is that it tells me that you guys enjoy this form of content and makes me make more of these types of videos for you guys. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the number 1. Now, coming in at number 1 is the Oppo F11 Pro, and this phone was released in March 2019. Now, the Oppo F11 Pro has a 16 megapixel front camera and a 48 and a 5 megapixel rear camera. It also has a pretty huge 4000 mAh battery, and the entire phone runs on Android 9 Pie. The Oppo F11 Pro also has a 6.53-inch 1080 by 2340 display and has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. Now, the Oppo F11 Pro starts at $389 US, which is equivalent to 140,000 naira. Now, the second phone on this list is the Oppo Reno 2F. And let's also take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Oppo Reno 2F and see what this phone is packing. Now, the Oppo Reno 2F is the cheaper, less spec'd up version of the Oppo Reno 2, and it has a front camera that is 16 megapixels and a rear camera that is 48, 8, 2 and also 2 megapixels. The entire phone is run on Android 9 Pie, and it has a huge 4000 mAh battery. The Oppo Reno 2F has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It's also powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 processor and has a 6.53 1080 by 2340 display. The price of the Oppo Reno 2F is 129,000 naira, which is roughly around $358 US. Now, the third phone on this list is one that you guys must have probably guessed, and that is none other than the Oppo Reno 2. Now, the Oppo Reno 2 has a 16 megapixel front camera and a 48, a 13, an 8 and also a 2 megapixel rear camera. It also has a 4000 mAh battery and has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The Oppo Reno 2 runs on Android 9.0 Pie and has a 6.55-inch 1080 by 2400 display, which is slightly bigger than that of the Oppo Reno 2F. Now, the price of the Oppo Reno 2 starts at $497, which is roughly around 179,000 naira in Nigerian currency. And now I know a lot of you guys are wondering, and a little bit confused right now, like, Sheju, you've mentioned 3 amazing phones in this video, but the question is, if I had money to buy an Oppo phone right now, which one of these phones would you advise me to go for? Now, to really answer that question, it will honestly depend on your budget. How much money do you want to spend on a phone? But the truth is, if you had somewhere around $500, I'll honestly advise you to go for the Oppo Reno 2. And that's just simply because the Oppo Reno 2 is a smooth performing phone and has a really decent battery life. Let's also not forget about the really nice implementation of the pop-up camera, which gives the phone a really nice bezel-less display. And that's it. The Oppo Reno 2 will be my phone that I will advise you to get if you have around $500. But if you have any money less than that, the other phones that I mentioned, the other 2 will also be really great picks for you. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I would really love to hear what you guys have to say, and I really hang out with you guys in that comment section. So drop a comment before you leave, because I reply to every single one of my comments. Like this video if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. It is just one click. Please subscribe to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button and also tapping that little post notification bell icon, so you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see your beautiful faces some other time.